Welcome to myprojectwizard.com. This is our project title, Diversifying Web Service Recommendation Results via Exploring Service Usage History. And this is our project abstract. We propose a novel web service recommendation approach incorporated a user's potential QoS preferences and diversity features of user interest on web services. Users' interest or QoS preferences on web services are first mined by exploring the web service usage history. Then we have compute score of web service candidates by measuring their relevance with historical and potential user interest and their QoS utility. We also construct a web service graph based on the functional similarity between web services. Finally, we present a innovative diversity-aware web service ranking algorithm to rank the web service candidate based on their scores and diversity degrees derived from the web service graph. Extensive experiments are conducted based on real-world web service dataset, indicating that our proposed web service recommendation. This is a data flow diagram of our project. First you have to start the program. If you start the program, you have to register. If you are the user, you have to register the user domain. If you are the admin, you have to register the admin domain. There are two different access limited. There are the user domain and the admin domain. You have to, after registered, you have to log in into the user domain. The user domain have the separate services available in the service accessing process of the user process. After that, we have to get the user profile details, and then we have to view the top key recommendations, and we have to recommend to the other peoples within that network. We have the recommendation will be improved based on that the others based on that others recommended the product. The product rating will be increased, and the product ranking will be increasing based on the recommendation. After that, we have to find out the top key recommendation of the product. It is helpful to get the right product to purchase the right product to purchase their own interest and their own requirements. After that, there another process is the admin process. The admin process has the separate login and the separate login services. After that, we have to get we have to view all the users and then all the recommendations, and also we have to apply the diversity algorithm to get the top key diversity recommended products. Then close the program, and now we have to see the demo of our project. Click homepage.java and right click on it, select run file option. After selecting the run file option, we have to view the home page of the screen, and then we have to register and then user process and admin process. We have to register. We have to give the name as AAA. Select user, and then password is password the password is corrected, and email ID age and city, and then code. Create your account, register successfully, and then go back to that process. After that, we have to give that name, and then the username as our email ID is the username, and then password. Select the domain, and then sign up. When login successfully, you have to log in successfully. Then we have to the number of user process, like we have to view the user profiles. The user profile is like that, and then search for the post. Search for the post means I have to search, go and go. There we go, will be displayed with the products. I have to view the products, and if you want to say, if you want to recommend to the friends means you have to recommend. We go to any persons, and then report. Give the details and then recommend it, and then recommend. We have to search the history. We have to search the history or like this, and then can view the recommendations. If you view the recommendation means we have no one to recommend because we have the new logins. Then view the user interest on the post. View top recommendations. These are the top recommendations. Top key recommendation will be displayed, and then log out. If we sign in, sign in, login successfully, and then view recommended. If you recommended, the people will be who are recommended the items which will be shown in the screen. Then go back and log out. We have to sign in, admin login. Sign up successfully in this admin process. The admin having the separate login. View all users means that we have to view all the users which is available in that, and then add the post. If we add the post means we have to give the product ID, and then name, product names and colors, and product description, usage made by, and choose the image, and then submit. If you give that means it will be added in that process. Product name, then color, then description, use, give use, made by, and then choose the image, submitted successfully, and then next we have to view the recommended post. We have to handle all the post. Then it's a ranking of the process, and then view all recommends. View that, and then we have to view the history, and then we have to find the diversity recommendation. Find the diversity. It is the most diversity applications for the in-depth process, and then go back, log out, and then thanks to listen this video.